Whether you're a novice pilot or already have some flight hours under your belt, choosing the right drone can be quite a challenge. I'm Lola, and I'm here to help you get started. We're going to talk about the model, lens type, and why the maximum FPS and Ultra HD are important. We'll also discuss what to look out for when it comes to obstacle detection placement, and of course, how many batteries you'll need to keep flying longer. When choosing a DJI drone, it's important to see which model suits your wishes and needs best. DJI has a range of models, each with their own unique features. For example, the DJI Air is perfect if you want to capture detailed video footage thanks to its large image sensor, but you'll need a drone license for that. The DJI Avatar is for the speed enthusiasts among us. This racing drone is perfect for adventurous pilots and can even be used indoors. A drone license is also required for the Avatar. And for the experienced pilots looking for a drone with the most functions and the best image quality, the DJI Mavic drones are a great choice. Those drones have a large dynamic range in their video footage, but they also require a drone license. If you're a beginner and want a drone that can withstand a bump or two, then the DJI Flip is a good choice thanks to its foldable propeller guards. For those with little experience, the DJI mini drones are a great fit. They're lighter drones, so they're easy to take with you, and you don't need a drone license for them. Just keep in mind they're more sensitive to wind. And last but not least, there's the DJI Neo, a starter model without obstacle detection. This one is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, but it can bump into objects more easily. DJI drones always come with a wide-angle lens, and that's super useful because that lens gives you a wide field of view so you can capture a lot in one shot. You can also add an extra lens, like a telephoto lens, that zooms in a bit more so your subject stands out clearly, even if you're keeping your distance. If you want something in between, a medium telephoto lens is a great option. With this, you capture even more of the surroundings than with a telephoto lens, but you're still a bit more zoomed in than with a wide-angle lens. And then there's the ultra wide-angle lens. This one has the widest field of view, making it ideal for drone racing because you can clearly see where you're flying and if any obstacles are nearby. The maximum FPS in Ultra HD or 4K is an important spec if you want to record smooth videos. With 25 or 30 frames per second, your video will already look smooth. But if you double that to 60 frames per second, you can slow the video down in one go. Perfect for beautiful slow motion shots. The more frames per second, the more you can slow down your footage without it getting choppy. So if you want to create those cool slow motion shots, a higher FPS is definitely worth considering. With 100 frames per second, you can even slow things down by about 1.5 times for ultra smooth slow motion videos. Obstacle detection is super useful for a drone because the more sensors your drone has, the better it can avoid obstacles. This means your drone is less likely to crash into a tree or building. Especially if you don't have much flying experience yet, it's smart to go for a drone with obstacle detection. These sensors are placed in different spots on the drone. Some drones have them on all sides, front, back, bottom, and sides. That gives you the most protection and makes sure your drone can avoid almost anything. Other drones only have them at the front, so they're mainly safe when flying forward. And then there are drones that only have sensors on the bottom. This is especially useful for safe landing, but does not avoid obstacles while flying. The more batteries you have, the longer you can use your drone. Each battery has a maximum flight time, and if you only have one, you'll have to wait. You'll need to recharge it before you can take off again. If you have a second battery, you double your drone's battery life. Just swap out the empty battery for a full one, and you're ready to fly again. But if you're really out and about with your drone a lot, it's smart to have 3 batteries. So you can replace the empty battery and keep flying right away. No long breaks needed. So for those long adventures and to avoid running out of power right in the middle of the action, 3 batteries are your best bet. All right, whether you go for a drone that's easy to take with you, one that reaches high speeds, or a model that captures the most stunning footage, the most important thing is that it suits what you want to do. I hope this video has helped you out a bit with that. Still have questions? Feel free to let me know in the comments below. See you later.